Colgate, where ever since the government via the Attorney General in the court admitted that there could have been lapses in allocation of the coal blocks, there has been a lot of movement. On the one hand, the CBI has filed its status report in the coal block allocations in the Supreme Court, wherein it has completed investigation in 6 of the 16 cases, and we're given to understand that at least 15 allocations they would have found no criminality. This even as there is a meeting scheduled later in the evening between the Law Minister, the Coal Minister and the Attorney General, and that the government may look to cancel 61 questionable coal blocks. So things are moving very fast. Meetu Jain joining us with more on this. So at least 61 coal block allocations could be, cancelled, those which the government deems questionable. But can it stop there? Or should the government go further and pull up those who were responsible for these allegations in the first place? And does that make the Prime Minister directly accountable?
Well, in fact, that is the question that everybody is asking. You see, at the moment, there was a CCA this afternoon, and the decision that has been taken is that the Finance Minister, along with the Coal Minister, the Law Minister, and the Attorney General, will be fine-tuning the strategy that the Attorney General will be putting up in the Supreme Court. Essentially, that at least 61 coal blocks, and these are essentially private coal blocks that were allocated since 1993. And they're in different stages of clearance, but in most of them, production has started. And they are likely to be deallocated because either licenses have not been given or prospective lease licenses have not been given. So essentially, the sense one is getting is that the government is at the moment looking at cancellation of 61 coal blocks. Now, if that happens, because remember, 61 coal blocks is the figure that has been suggested by the CCEA. The coal ministry has floated a note on this issue, and they had mentioned the figure of 61. So there is a possibility that 61 coal blocks will be deallocated. The Finance Ministry will, of course, along with other ministers, be taking a final call on it. But what the Coal Ministry has also told the Attorney General has told the Supreme Court on the basis of a calculation done by the Coal Ministry is that at least 2 lakh crore of investments have already gone into coal block production, even though most of these blocks are not under production. The impact is going to be huge, not just economically and financially, but also politically. Because remember, it was the Prime Minister who was the Coal Minister in the better part of UPA 1 when these coal blocks were allocated.
Well, thanks for that, Meetu.